Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arenar Teaching Center, where we teach you how to write, format and edit. And today we're going to be focusing on another format of recipe layout. You understand? There's a video I posted on my shorts. I didn't explain it, but it was a formatting video. Yeah. So today we're going to be working on that video right now. And I bet you we're not going to waste your time. So this video I'm going to be doing two parts. Yeah, one for people that don't have feel and the other for people that have feel, so that nobody will be left out. You understand? So not on the last video I posted concerning formatting was 2 recipes per page, but at the same time some people do like 1 recipe per page. But aside that one, just in case you are working for a brand, you're working for brand, some brands require you to just do 20 recipe. I don't think that you should be putting 2 recipes per page. So for this one is a very unique format, so I won't waste your time. Do you understand? So first of all, let me put it in print layouts. Put it in print layouts. Then, oh my god. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is, as usual, I'm going to be inputting my table. Like I said, we are going to be doing 2 formats, you understand? For people that have feel and people that don't have feel. I know you'll be wondering why I put my content in normal. So based on this, I want my feel to just be moderate, not that too big. So I have to remove it from headings. Meanwhile, while you are removing it from headings, you should also note that it's not going to, it's not going to show in your table of content. Okay, so this is our title. So I want to remove all this from this list, so I'm going to be doing them like this, putting comma on all of them. Okay, then the next thing is we're going to be adding a picture. Alright, this is beautiful. We're going to be adding a picture. I'm still adjusting the picture. Okay, so our next thing, we copy and put in a table. If you look at my recipe very well, it is structured the way I asked ChatGPT to format it. Do you understand? Yes, to format it for me, because this is a formatting style. So I asked it to put all nutritional facts in 1 line, then put in a strike after each one, then put a note as well, instead of me asking for pro tips or other things that they are going to be putting in bullet point. I don't need it, to just do it like this for me. That's what I asked ChatGPT to do for me, which he did, because I want to, in the book I'm working on, I want to put 2 recipes per page based on space management and printing costs. You know how it is. So I don't want a situation whereby my 2 recipes will not be in 1 page. I don't want it at all. So I'm going to be putting my table. Meanwhile, I've copied it, so if I'm to impute my table, it's not going to affect me. Okay, I made a mistake based on discussion. So I'm going to be increasing my column to 2 and my row to 1. Are you seeing it? So I'm going to delete, before deleting anything, let me first of all paste. Okay, so I'm going to be deleting this first one. I'll cut it. Then I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy out from number 4. I've already made a mistake, so I think I should be really careful when copying. I should just copy from number 3. and paste here. Meanwhile, I am still going to reduce. Then I'm coming here to reduce my font size first. My font size is already on 10. Okay. Let me see how 11 is good. So right now my font size is 11. Are you seeing it? It's currently in 11. So for those of us that actually do not have fill, this is for those that have fill. So on this particular note, I'm going to cut out 3 from here and put 3 here. You see how I was able to remove that. So I'm going to, in the aspect of fill, I'll just go and fill this one with, then take it to change my font. Don't mind me. I'm going to change my font to white on this aspect. Okay, so you don't need to do much. You don't need to do much. So what I will do in the nutritional fact, I can decide to put another table inside. Are you getting it? It's easy to impute a table inside, but you can't fill in table inside, like copy and paste table here. No, it will not work. So I'm going to be putting my nutritional fact like this. So you see how simple and unique this page is, Abby. So now for those of us that are not using fill, let me first of all copy out my recipe. All right, so this is basically for those of us that don't have fill in our phone, for you not to be left out. Okay, instead of me doing copying and pasting, I'm just going to do everything in your present. So what I will do here is, as usual, I'm going to be imputing my picture. So I'll just go and copy the picture from here, but I will not copy the table. So I'll copy the picture and impute here. Then I'll go and impute the table first. I'm going to impute my table, 2 color. Then instead of putting fill on your own end, you highlight it. You highlight your recipe. So let me use this orange color. So highlight your recipe, and don't forget to put it at bold. So you highlight it. You can decide to increase. Let me see if increasing or some of the highlighting is not even here. The reason why you're seeing breakfast is based on the way I'm formatting the book. Okay, I said instead of me creating a meal plan, why not just create direct meal plan like breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. That will 2 recipes per page. So that way the book will be adaptive and more practical. So I don't need to do a separate meal plan again. So once they open page 1, for instance, is breakfast, page 1 is breakfast and lunch, then page 2 is dinner, then continue with breakfast again. I didn't add snacks. Yeah. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll just copy from ingredients to paste. Paste. All right. So let me increase the font size here. So here now we have font 12. Are you seeing it? So what I will do is very simple. I'm going to be highlighting, since I don't have fill, okay, I don't want to feel like I can't do anything, so I'm just going to be highlighting my work. I know it doesn't like look exactly the same like those that have fill. You know, I'm using an iPhone, that's why I'm able to have all these things. I also have this advantage too, so I don't want you to feel like I have an iPhone. That's why she's able to format with different layout and all that. Google Docs can translate, but iPhone, I've not been able to discover iPhone users on. I have tried. If I've seen how to translate with Google Docs, I would have, you know, created a video for it for all of us. But we don't have a translator. You understand? So this is it, just to highlight. But the difference is, you can actually impute your nutritional fact in a line, since there's no fill. You understand? There's no fill. Since there's no fill, you can just, let me show you. All right. Okay, so this is it. Very simple method, so you don't feel like I know it's not exactly like this one, don't compare, but for you not to be left out, if in case you want to do this style, except you want to go through the stress of going to Canva to design, and then you can actually do that. Alright guys, so if you found this video really helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends so that they can come and watch as well. Thank you, bye bye, God bless you. And if you are into travel guide, there's a post I posted on my post here on YouTube. You can go through it. There's a WhatsApp group for you to join. You can join. I have an offer, a very unique offer that is irresistible. So that's it. All right guys, take care, bye bye.